Have you heard of a method that can help poop easily, with no pain, and be done with it in under 3 minutes? Not only help pooping, but to help maintain a perfect digestion in long term. If you haven't heard of this method, keep watching this video. We don't know how long this video will stay up, so please watch while you still can. This method helped tens of thousands of people worldwide no longer spend long and hard time in the toilet. This method is unlike anything ever discovered before. It attacks the root cause of many digestive problems. 98% of people don't even know this method exists. Researchers from Arizona State University confirm that this unique method attacks the root cause of many digestive problems. Bernie, a 65-year-old from Quincy, Massachusetts, after using the method, is now able to go to the toilet every morning, poop easily without pain, be done with it in under 3 minutes. Feels like at least 2 pounds lighter every time. Bob, a 63-year-old from Naples, Florida, always felt like a balloon about to pop, had times felt like needles going through his belly before, and everything is now gone, and able to drive for a long time, ride a bicycle again after using the exact same method. Bernadette Samuels, 45, from Nashville, Tennessee, used to suffer from diarrhea, and wherever she went, she always had to spot the closest bathroom. Had been in way too many humiliating situations. After using this method, her awful bathroom and social experiences are now over. Feels like she can finally live without being affected. Before continue having long and hard times on the toilet. Feeling bloated, having to hold gas in, experiencing digestive discomforts. While just to try out another diet, workout, solutions? Use the method that worked for tens of thousands of people. Wouldn't it be better to live comfortably and relaxed than spending time and energy on the toilet and being aware of the problem, let it affect life continuously? The billion-dollar big pharmas are making billions out of treatments, drugs for unhealthy digestion. They will not like this new effective method. Click the link in the description below to discover one of the most powerful digestive problems fixing methods on the planet.